Hello students, this is our second lecture of kinematics. In this lecture, we will solve number of problems based on average speed and average velocity. Okay. Now this is the first problem, problem number 1. See what is given in problem. Particle moves from point A to point B on a semicircle of radius 1 meter in 1 second. Find what? Average speed and magnitude of average velocity. Simple. What is given? Particle moves from A along the circular path up to point B. That means this is initial position, this is final position. Now from A to B, when it moves along this path, you will get what? Displacement. Displacement क्या रहेगा? तो displacement is what? Shortest distance. अभी radius 1 meter है. Radius 1 meter means this one is what? This is R means this is 1 meter. This is 1 meter. A भी 2 meter हो जाएगा. Displacement 2 meter. But distance travel means actual length of path. A कितना रहता है? Circle रहेगा तो pi R 2 pi R है ना? Semi circle के लिए how much? Pi R. That means from A to B when it moves, you know displacement. Displacement कितना हो गया? 2R है ना? 2R means R is what? 1 meter. So this is a 2 meter. And distance traveled or distance is what? Distance is actual length of path. Actual length of path क्या हो जाएगा? Pi R. R is what? 1. That means this is pi into 1. That means you can say it is what? Pi meters. And you know it takes how much time? 1 second. That means average speed, if you will find out, it is what? Distance upon time. Average speed, what will get here? Pi upon 1. That means this is what? Pi meter per second. Right? And average velocity, if you will find out, average velocity, average velocity is what? Displacement upon time. Displacement upon time. How much is the displacement? 2 meter. This will be what? 2 upon 1. That means this is what? 2 meters per second. This is 2 meter per second. We'll solve now question number 2. What is given in this question? A body covers a distance with speeds v1 and v2 for 2 equal time intervals. That means suppose any particle takes say 10 seconds to reach a final position. So in equal time interval means what? 5 seconds, right? For 2 equal time intervals with what speed? v1 and v2. That means in first half time speed is v1, next half time speed is v2. Find average speed. When such problem is given, if you draw simple figure, then it becomes very easy. For example, suppose motion is along this line, say from A to point B, particle moves in this direction, right? Now when particle moves in this direction, rightward, it takes a t second. It takes a t seconds to reach final position B. But it moves with speed v1 for half of the time. That means if it takes total time, maybe up to somewhere here. This is not a center. This is not center. So here it takes how much time? Say t by 2. And then when it moves from this location, again it takes what time? T by 2. So that total time of travel becomes what? T. Now it moves initially with what speed? v1, and then for rest of the time is t by 2, it moves with speed v2. Simple. You have to find out what? Average speed. So you must know a relation between what? Distance and time. Distance, time and speed. You know speed is what? Speed is what? Distance upon time. Distance upon time. We'll assume here ये जो distance है is what? Along x axis है, तो we'll represent by x. Total distance traveled is what? X. But total distance here is nothing but ये distance निकालना है, तो from this one distance is what? Speed into time, correct? Speed into time is what? Distance. Is it possible to find out total distance x? That is in now two parts. In this t by 2, it covers how much distance? This speed into this time. In next t by 2 second, how much distance it covers? v2 into t by 2. But ये जो distance है ना, is not x by 2. This is not x by 2. v1 into t by 2 plus v2 into t by 2, you will get total distance traveled. That means x is what? From this relation, speed into time. v1 into t by 2 plus v2 into t by 2. Correct? Now, if you want to find out average speed, it is total distance traveled upon total time. Total time is what? T. Total distance traveled is what? X. Very good. From this one, is it possible to find out T? So, here if you take T common, what will get here? Or this T by 2 common, है ना? T by 2. So, what will get? V1 plus V2. This is Ex. That means your time required becomes what? इधर गया x है 2x divided by V1 plus V2. Correct? This is total time required. You are getting in terms of V1, V2 and Ex. You know average speed is what? Average speed. So average speed is distance traveled, total distance traveled upon time. How much distance? X. Time is what? You have calculated here. We'll substitute here 2x upon ये क्या आ गया? V1 plus V2. करेक्ट? आपका x टर्म कैंसिल हो गया, V1 V2 ऊपर गया, मीन्स V1 plus V2 divided by 2. This is what? Average speed. Average speed. See here, you will solve number of problems on average speed. तो ये एक सिंपल हो गया, राइट? एकदम सिंपल. हाफ टाइम के लिए, दिस फॉर हाफ टाइम. ये जो पॉइंट है, दिस इज नॉट एट सेंटर, बिकॉज इसका अगर वेलोसिटी ये ज़्यादा रहेगा, राइट, ये कम रहेगा, तो दिस पॉइंट विल बी ऑन राइट साइड ऑफ सेंटर. ये अगर बहुत कम रहेगा, छोटा, ये बड़ा रहेगा, तो दिस पॉइंट मे बी ऑन लेफ्ट साइड, बिकॉज टाइम इंटरवल सेम है ना. तो एवरेज स्पीड विल गेट व्हाट? V1 plus V2 divided by 2. Right? Clear? Now we'll solve next problem, question number 3. Now we'll solve question number 3 in this lecture. Now what is given in problem? A body travels the first half of the total distance with velocity V1 and second half of the distance with velocity V2. Calculate what? Average velocity. Again we'll draw figure. Solving problem, always try to draw simple figure so that solving problem becomes easy. Say particle moves from A to B. Now ये जो total distance है ना, that is divided in two parts. Body travel the first half of the total distance with velocity V1. मैंने total distance अगर x लिया, तो I can say this distance is what? X by 2 and remaining is what? X by 2. Okay. First half it travels with what speed? Velocity V1. Second half it travels with what velocity? V2. Correct? How much time you don't know, right? We'll assume here from A to you can say C, it takes some time t1 second, and from C to B it takes a time t2 second. Now relation between speed distance formula you can say ना, speed क्या रहता है? Speed is what? Distance upon time. That means distance is what? Speed is distance upon time. Distance is what? Speed into time. Time निकालना है तो see here. Now what we'll do? Speed is what? Distance upon time. अभी आप ये मत बोलो हाँ इधर तो वेलोसिटी दिया स्पीड लिख रहे हैं, फॉर्मूला सेम है. हियर डिस्प्लेसमेंट डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल सेम, देयरफॉर आपका स्पीड एंड वेलोसिटी विल बी सेम, देयरफॉर यू कैन यूज वेलोसिटी इक्वल टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टाइम और स्पीड इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. देयर से टाइम अगर निकालना है, टाइम दैट विल बी व्हाट? डिस्टेंस है ना अपॉन स्पीड, डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. इन दिस केस क्या हो जाएगा? डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन वेलोसिटी. डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन वेलोसिटी. दिख रहा है ना? हाँ, ओके. Now if we'll find out this t1 and a t2 and if we'll add, total time मिल जाएगा, and total distance is what, x, that means total distance upon total time. What will get here? Average velocity मिल जाएगा. Now if you want to find out first time t1, displacement upon velocity. What is the displacement? X by 2. What is speed means velocity here? v1. तो ये आपका हो जाएगा x upon 2 v1. From C to B के लिए same. If you try to find out time t2, displacement upon velocity. Displacement is what? x by 2. Velocity is what? v2. समझ में आ रहा है ना? सिंपल है, एकदम सिंपल. स्पीड डिस्टेंस, स्पीड इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम, और displacement upon time is what? Velocity. t2 is what? x by 2. That means this one will write as what? x upon 2 v2. इसको जोड़ दो, है ना? Will add t1 plus t2 will be what? x upon 2 v1 plus x upon 2 v2. इसमें से x by 2 तो कॉमन ले सकते हैं ना, 1 upon v1 plus 1 upon v2, राइट. दैट मीन आपका t1 प्लस t2 आ गया, ये v2 प्लस v1 डिवाइडेड बाय v1 v2. दैट मीन्स x बाय 2 इंटू एलसीएम v1 v2 है ना. दिस वन इज व्हाट? v1 v2. इधर क्या बचेगा? v2. इधर क्या बच गया? v1. करेक्ट. तो दिस इज t1 प्लस t2. एवरेज वेलोसिटी इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट, average velocity, total distance traveled और here displacement, total displacement upon time, total रहता है ना, displacement upon time. What is the displacement? x. Time is what? x by 2 v1 plus v2 upon v1 v2. ये x x टर्म गेट्स कैंसिल, राइट. ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, x x कैंसिल करो. ये 2 v1 v2 गया आपका न्यूमरेटर में ना, 2 टाइम्स v1 v2 अपॉन v1 प्लस v2. तो दिस इज एवरेज वेलोसिटी. लास्ट प्रॉब्लम इफ यू आर रिकॉलिंग, उसमें क्या था ना, हाफ ऑफ द टाइम इंटरवल, तो उसमें सिंपल आया था v1 प्लस v2 बाई 2. अभी क्या हो गया? 2 टाइम्स v1 v2 अपॉन v1 प्लस v2. क्लियर. नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, सम वैल्यूज आर गिवन. Right, we'll solve now problem number 4. Now we'll solve problem number 4. See here, what is given? A car covers first half of the distance between the two places at a speed of 40 km per hour and the second half at 60 km per hour. What is the average speed of the car? We derived something like this, 2 times v1 into v2 upon v1 plus v2, if you are recalling. Or if values are given, then solving problem becomes very easy. See here, what we'll do? Yes, suppose a path, straight line path, moves from A to B. First half of the distance we don't know. Yeah? First half means what we'll do is, suppose distance is what? Total distance is x, so this is x by 2. Remaining distance is what again? X by 2. Okay. It moves with what speed here? v1, either a v2. At a speed of what? v1 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ये किलोमीटर पर आवर है, किलोमीटर पर आवर. एंड दिस वन इज व्हाट? v2 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर. अज्यूमिंग इट टेक्स हाउ मच टाइम हियर से t1, बट आवर में करेंगे तो आपका डिस्टेंस जो है दैट इज ऑल्सो इन किलोमीटर में हो जाएगा. एंड इट टेक्स हाउ मच टाइम? t2 आवर. स्पीड डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला, right? What is the speed distance formula? Speed is what? Distance upon time, right? Time is what? Distance upon speed. That means this one time, if you want to find out, t1 will be what? Distance upon time. Distance कितना है? x by 2. Speed कितना है? 40. That means this is what? x upon 80, right? 2 डिनोमिनेटर में गया. नेक्स्ट पार्ट के लिए t2 इफ विल फाइंड आउट, डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम x बाई 2. व्हाट इज स्पीड? 60. ये कितना होगा? x अपॉन 120. we'll add this one. Total time is required finally, total distance and total time, distance upon time, speed मिल जाएगा. t1 plus t2 if we'll add x upon 80 plus x upon 120. So what will get here? LCM 80 into 120. This will be what? x common है ना, ये हो जाएगा 120 plus this one is what? 80. That means this one what will get here? 200 ना, x into ये 200 upon 80 into 120. एक ज़ीरो गया, एक ज़ीरो इधर गया, right? That means 2x upon 8 into 12 in denominator. This is the total. We will substitute this value here. Total time. Now average speed is what? Total distance, correct, upon total time. Total distance is what? Ax by 2. Actually you have taken total distance as it. That means this is Ax divided by, ये होगा आपका x into this is 2 divided by 8 into 12 है ना. ये देखो इधर ये 4 हो जाएगा, x कैंसिल हो गया, 12 into 4 48 न्यूमरेटर में चलेगा, 48 किलोमीटर पर आवर. आप सोच रहे होंगे 40 60 हाफ ऑफ डिस्टेंस है, एवरेज 50 नहीं आता. एवरेज 50 कब आएगा? when it travels for same time, half time interval, the next time interval, तो v1 plus v2 by 2 होता है. ये v1 plus v2 by 2 नहीं. this one what we have done, drawing figure each and everything. आप इसको डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं ना. if you recollect this formula, आपका फॉर्मूला क्या था? एवरेज स्पीड, this one we derived in previous problem है ना, 2 times v1 v2 upon v1 plus v2, correct. Now 2 times v1 40, this is what? 60. v1 plus v2 40 plus 60 how much? 100. ये 0 0 गया, 0 0 cancel. 6 into 4 into 2, 6 into 8, 48. Answer will be same. That means if you will get any question in exam like this, right, where speeds each and everything is given, average speed you have to find, normal type of question है. This one clear. You can do it like this if you forget formula. If you recollect formula, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ आपको कि formula एकदम बाहर ही करना है, नहीं. Technique you must know, method of solving problem. What is given that one you try to represent in figure. ऐसे फिगर में आप प्रॉपर रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं ना, यू विल गेट आइडिया. मिस्टेक होने का चांस नहीं रहता है, एकदम बेसिक से स्टार्ट करने का. विल गेट आंसर हियर ऑल्सो, विल गेट व्हाट? सेम आंसर. चलो विल सॉल्व नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. नाउ विल सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम नंबर 5. ठीक है. सी हियर व्हाट इज गिवन इन प्रॉब्लम. रीड प्रॉब्लम केयरफुली, राइट, सो दैट सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम बिकम्स इजी. अ बॉडी कवर्स 1/3 ऑफ इट्स जर्नी. and suppose total distance suppose 3 meter है, 1/3 1 meter है ना, 1/3. A body covers 1/3 of its journey with speed v1, next 1/3 with speed v2 and the last 1/3 with speed v3. and 1/3 distance 1/3 distance 1/3 distance. Speeds are what? v1 v2 v3. Calculate the average speed of the body during the entire journey. Now we'll draw one simple figure. Simple, huh? What we'll do is suppose AB is our entire journey, total. That we don't know how much is the distance, huh? But we'll divide it in 2 parts. Say this one point is C, this point is D. Here speed is what? V1. Here speed is what? V2. Here speed is what? V3. Correct? Now it covers 1/3 of its distance. So if you assume total distance as x, this will be what? 1/3 x by 3. Or you can take ax, cx and ex and total distance will be 3x. One and the same thing. From C to D, when it moves, so this will be what? Again x by 3. And this distance is what? Again x by 3. See, what is the method of solving this problem? Simply average speed you have to find out. Average speed means what? Total distance upon total time. Abhi total distance you know x. Total time we don't know. We can find out how much is, say, from A to C it takes what? T1 seconds. Here it takes what? Some T2 second, and here T3 second. Correct? T1, T2 and T3. T1 is time required to cover first 1/3 distance. T2 time required to cover next 1/3 distance. T3 time required to cover next 1/3 distance. Speed distance formula you know, right? Speed distance formula is very simple. Speed क्या रहता है? Distance upon time. Now we have to find out what? Time. Time becomes what? Distance upon speed. That means first time T1 is what? Distance upon velocity, distance upon speed. X by 3 upon V1. That means x upon 3 V1. फर्स्ट टाइम आ गए. अभी आपको करंट लग गया है ना, समझ में आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है. T2 कैसा निकालने का देखो. डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. डिस्टेंस कितना है? सेम x बाय 3. स्पीड क्या है? V2. x अपॉन 3 टाइम्स V2. करेक्ट. सेम थिंग हियर फॉर T3. T3 is what? Distance. कितना डिस्टेंस? x by 3. सेम डिस्टेंस है, इक्वल. एंड दिस इज V3. That means what will get here? X upon 3 times V3. Total time will find out. If we'll add, what will get? T1 plus T2 plus 8 T3. देखो, if we'll add x upon 3 V1, x upon 3 V2 plus x upon 3 V3, इसमें x by 3 कॉमन रहेगा, है ना? x by 3 कॉमन. 1 upon V1 plus 1 upon V2 plus 1 upon V3. क्लियर? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? एकदम सिंपल है. इधर से T1 plus T2 plus T3 कॉमन क्या है? x upon 3, x upon 3, x upon, कॉमन ले लिया. 1 upon V1, 1 upon V2 plus 1 upon V3. इसका एलसीएम लेते हैं ना. इफ यू टेक एलसीएम तो आपको ये इधर T1 plus T2 plus T3 इक्वल टू x बाय 3, राइट. एलसीएम क्या आएगा देखो? V1 V2 V3. V1 V2 V3. तो इधर क्या आएगा? फर्स्ट वन. इधर क्या कमी है? V2 V3. दैट मीन्स ये होगा आपका V2 V3 प्लस इधर V2 है तो इधर V1 V3 आएगा. V1 V3. इधर V3 है मीन्स व्हाट विल गेट? V1 V2. करेक्ट. दैट मीन्स भी देखो इधर V1 V2, नेक्स्ट आपका V2 V3 है एंड नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? V1 V3 है. 1 2 2 3 एंड 3 1 डिवाइडेड बाय V1 V2 V3 प्रोडक्ट. ये होगा टोटल टाइम. नाउ एवरेज स्पीड इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट, तो इट बिकम्स व्हाट? एवरेज स्पीड इज व्हाट? Total distance upon total time. Total distance x, total time is what? T1 plus T2 plus T3. T1 plus T2 plus T3. ये T1 plus T2 plus T3 इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं ना. x अपॉन ये क्या होगा? x by 3 इन ब्रैकेट, है ना. ये तो डिनोमिनेटर में V1 V2 V3 आ गया है ना. इधर क्या है? V2 V3, V1 V3 एंड V1 V2, है ना. V1 V2. अब ऐसे कहें V1 V2 V2 V3 एंड V3 V1. अभी x x कैंसिल हो गए. 3 न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा, ये V1 V2 V3 न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा, है ना. ये तो आई विल राइट हियर. सी हियर. तो एवरेज स्पीड जो है दिस विल बी व्हाट? इधर 3 टाइम्स V1 V2 V3, है ना. 3 टाइम्स V1 V2 V3 न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा. x x कैंसिल. हियर V1 V2 प्लस V2 V3 प्लस V3 V1. करेक्ट. दिस वन इज व्हाट? एवरेज स्पीड. क्लियर? एकदम सिंपल. स्पीड डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला लगाते जाओ, निकालते जाओ. क्लियर? चलो. नाउ विल सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम नंबर 6. दिस प्रॉब्लम वाज आस्क्ड इन प्री मेडिकल टेस्ट, डेट मीन्स अभी जो नीट रहता है ना सेम 91 in PMT 91 question is asked. See here similar one formula were derived, right? If you go through wording, just check here. What is given? Bus traveling the first 1/3 distance, at a speed of 10 km per hour. The next 1/3 at 20 km per hour and the last 1/3 at 60 km per hour. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Average speed of the bus is ABCD. MQC आया था, एकदम सिंपल. If you are recalling formula, well and good. अगर नहीं recollect होता है तो then also it is, there is no problem. 1/3 distance, 1/3 distance. ये जो है total distance x, तो what will write here? x by 3, ऐसा नहीं लिखने का, x by 3 and this one is again x by 3. We'll divide total travel in 3 parts. With what speed? First 1/3 distance at a speed of v1, 10 km per hour. Next 1/3 at 20. ये क्या है? 20. Last 1/3 at 60. Okay, ये किलोमीटर पर आवर है. Method is what? स्पीड डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला है ना. स्पीड क्या रहता है? हाँ, डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. टोटल डिस्टेंस x, we'll find out total time. That one will get in terms of x. So what will get first time? We'll assume when it covers, it takes how much time? t1 second. ये next 1/3 के लिए t2 second, next 1/3 के लिए t3 second. Time required to travel first 1/3 distance is what? Distance upon speed. Distance is what? x by 3. Speed is what? v1, 10 है ना. चलो v1, हाँ, x by 3, v1 is what? 10. x upon 30. Next 1/3, again distance is what? x by 3. Speed is what? v2. x by 3. what is the speed given? Next 20. 20 into 3 कितना हो गया? 60. x upon 60. Actually simple होता है. When values are given it becomes easy. When values are not given then calculation part becomes difficult slightly. Again 1/3 distance, what speed? v3. That means ये क्या हो जाएगा? x by 3 upon 60. x upon ये आ गया 180. करेक्ट. इफ फुल ऐड क्या आना चाहिए इधर? टोटल टाइम ऑफ ट्रैवल t1 प्लस t2 प्लस t3. देखो क्या हो जाएगा? x बाय 30, x बाय 60, x बाय 180. x कॉमन ले सकते हैं? यस. क्यों नहीं ले सकते? ले सकते हैं. 1 ये आ गया 1 अपॉन वॉट? 60 प्लस 1 अपॉन 180. इसका अगर LCM लिया तो क्या आएगा? ये आपका ये x इधर लिखते हैं. हाँ, ये x, तो दिस विल बी वॉट? देखो 30 इंटू 60 इंटू 180. ओके, या 180 LCM लेते हैं ना, एकदम सिंपल है. देखो 180 LCM आएगा ना. हाँ, अभी 30 ये कितना आएगा? 6 है ना. ये कितना हो जाएगा? 3. इधर क्या आएगा? 1. हाँ, सिंपल. ये क्या होगा न्यूमरेटर में? देखो 6 प्लस 3 प्लस 1 कितना होगा? 10. 10 बाई 180 है ना. x इंटू 10 अपॉन 180. अरे तो ये x अपॉन 18 हो गया है. सिंपल. x अपॉन 18. टोटल टाइम. एवरेज स्पीड क्या रहता है? एवरेज स्पीड टोटल डिस्टेंस अपॉन टोटल टाइम. टोटल डिस्टेंस इज व्हाट? x. टोटल टाइम इज व्हाट? t1 प्लस t2 प्लस t3. टोटल डिस्टेंस x. टोटल टाइम ऑफ ट्रैवल t1 प्लस t2 प्लस t3. ये आपका x है. दिस इज व्हाट? x अपॉन 18. x कैंसिल. कितना होगा आंसर? 18 किलोमीटर पर आवर. विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट? ये इधर टिक लगाने का, ये करेक्ट है. ऑप्शन सी. ओके, नाउ विल सॉल्व नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. दिस प्रॉब्लम नंबर 7. First go through the wording of problem and we'll try to draw simple figure so that solving problem becomes easy. what is given? A body traveling along a straight line traverses one half of the total distance, one half of the total distance with velocity v0, with velocity v0, half distance चला है ना, with velocity v0. The remaining part of the distance, how much remaining? Half, right? Half is traveled, now half is remaining. Remaining part of the distance was covered with velocity v1 for half the time and with velocity v2 for the other half of the time. उसमें time is same for remaining half distance के लिए. Find the average velocity for complete motion. Now if we draw figure, what will we get here? See here. Suppose this one is what? Total distance traveled. इसमें पहले हाफ हाफ कर लेते, तो दिस वन इज फर्स्ट हाफ डिस्टेंस x by 2, assuming total distance is what? x, ये फर्स्ट हाफ, and then this one is what? Remaining half. Okay, this one is what? Again x by 2. Say points are what? A, this one is B, this one is what? C. It travels first half of the distance with velocity VO. We'll assume here it takes some time t1 second. Okay. B to see how it travels. Remaining half of the distance was covered with velocity v1 for half of the time and with velocity v2 for other half of time. That means इसमें ना it travels with what? v1 and next one is what? v2. v1 and v2. If we assume it takes total time is say t, so it travel this much distance with what time? t2, इसका half, and this one is what? इसका half. That means total time of travel you can write as what? t1 plus t, right? या तो t1 प्लस इसको t2 करो, t2 by 2, t2 by 2, बट ये आपका टाइम डिवाइड हो गया. ये जो है दिस वन इज नॉट हाफ ऑफ x by 2, टाइम इज सेम. नाउ व्हाट विल डू? We'll write this time in terms of distance and velocity, and we'll add a total time, total distance upon total time. What will you get? Average velocity. We solve number of problems. Method will remain same, right? Don't worry, एकदम सिंपल. फर्स्ट पार्ट के लिए फर्स्ट तो आपका जो टाइम रहता है, स्पीड इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. टाइम इज व्हाट? डिस्टेंस अपॉन speed or here velocity. Okay, now first if you want to find out what t1, t1 कैसे आएगा? v0 upon है x by 2 upon v0, correct? Means this one you can write x upon 2 v0. ये आएगा आपका t1. नेक्स्ट जो x by 2 है, this one is traveled with what? v1 speed and v2 speed. तो ये जो डिस्टेंस है दिस विल बी व्हाट? v1 into t by 2, velocity into time distance, velocity into time is what? Distance. That means next आपका x by 2 जो डिस्टेंस है that one is traveled with velocity v1 for what time? t by 2. Next v2 for again t by 2, correct? That means you can take here t by 2 कॉमन, राइट? इधर क्या आएगा? v1 प्लस v2. दिस इज व्हाट? x by 2, 2 कैंसल. व्हाट विल गेट हियर? t इक्वल टू x अपॉन v1 प्लस v2, correct? Okay, that means this time you are getting, this one time also you are getting. Total time of travel t प्लस t1 हो जाएगा ना, इधर t1 इधर t प्लस t1 और t1 प्लस t है ना, वन एंड सेम थिंग. t1 इज व्हाट? x अपॉन 2 टाइम्स v0 एंड t इज व्हाट? x अपॉन प्रॉपर, हाँ, x अपॉन v1 प्लस v2. दैट मीन्स टोटल टाइम ऑफ ट्रैवल इफ विल फाइंड आउट, x आपका कॉमन हो गया, राइट? डिनोमिनेटर में क्या आएगा? एलसीएम ए 2 v0 v1 plus v2 है ना. Now in numerator what will write here, इधर 2 v0 है, that means what will get v1 plus v2 and इधर क्या आएगा plus 2 times v0. Correct. This is total time. Total time, you know, total distance traveled is what, Vx. Therefore average velocity, if we'll write here, it is what, average velocity. Average, here I'll write average velocity. Average velocity is total distance upon total time. Total distance कितना है बताओ, ax. total time कितना है, t1 plus t है ना, t1 plus t. that means ये आपका ax, t1 plus t we have calculated, x है ना, in bracket what will get here, v1 plus v2 plus 2 times v0, 2 times v0, v1 plus v2. Correct. That means now we'll rearrange the terms and we'll find out average speed, average velocity. x cancel, yes, ये होगा आपका 2 times v0, v1 plus v2 divided by v1 plus v2 plus 2 times v0. ये आपका आ गया एवरेज वेलोसिटी. क्लियर. चलो, नाउ दिस इज प्रॉब्लम नंबर 8. व्हाट इज गिवन इन प्रॉब्लम, अ बॉडी ट्रेवलिंग अलोंग अ स्ट्रेट लाइन कवर्स हाफ डिस्टेंस एट स्पीड v. हाफ डिस्टेंस कैसा जा रहा है, विथ स्पीड v, and remaining half with different speeds. Speed v1 for 1/3 time, speed v2 for 2/3 time. If we try to draw figure, what will get here? Suppose this one is our entire journey from this point A to say B. Okay, it covers what, half distance at speed v. That means you can say this is half distance. Total if we take what, ax, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका x divided by 2, half of x, here also half of x. Okay, first half it travels with speed v. Correct. We'll assume here it takes a time is what, t seconds or t1, इधर suppose t1 दिया, t1 seconds to cover half distance. ये suppose point C. Now next part is important. ये देखो क्या है, remaining half means from C to B with speed v1 for 1/3 time and speed v2 for 2/3 time. If we assume it takes what time, say t second, so it travels with what speed, v1 for t by 3 second and with speed v2, with speed v2 it travels with 2/3 of this time, 2/3 of this time, right. That means ये जो part है x by 2 distance it covers with the speeds. How will get x by 2 distance from velocity time? एकदम simple, v1 into t by 3, तो ये distance travel आ जाएगा, v2 into 2/3 of time, what will get, remaining part. If we'll add आपका x by 2 आना चाहिए ना, simple. From A to C if you consider first part, can you find out, is it possible to find out t1? t1 अगर निकालना है तो क्या रहता है, distance upon time, distance upon time, distance upon velocity, distance upon speed, right. distance क्या है, x by 2, speed क्या है, v. That means this will be what, x upon 2v आ गया, right. नेक्स्ट जो पार्ट है, मोशन फ्रॉम C to B if you consider, total distance traveled is x by 2. It is in first 1/3 time, how much distance it covers, so v1 into t by 3 plus with speed v2 2t by 3. Correct. That means this one what will get here, if we take t common, राइट, अगर t कॉमन लिया तो ये आएगा v1/3 प्लस, हाँ इधर 2/3, तो आप 3 भी कॉमन ले सकते हैं ना, t/3 कॉमन, ओके। ये देखो t/3 कॉमन, इधर आएगा v1 प्लस ये क्या आ गया 2 टाइम्स v2, करेक्ट। ये आ गया x/2। इधर से t निकाल सकते हैं क्या, डेफिनेटली निकाल सकते हैं। ये क्या हो जाएगा 3 टाइम्स x अपॉन 2 v1 प्लस 2 टाइम्स v2, 2 टाइम्स v2, करेक्ट ना, चेक करो। t इज व्हाट 3 टाइम्स x, यस परफेक्ट, डिवाइडेड बाय 2, ये v1 प्लस 2 टाइम्स v2 आ गया, यस। ये टाइम t1 है, इधर टाइम t है, विल ऐड अ टाइम्स फर्स्ट वन, t1 प्लस t, t1 x अपॉन 2v, x अपॉन 2v, समझ में आ रहा है ना, फास्ट तो नहीं हो रहा है ना, देखो t1 इज व्हाट x अपॉन 2v, t इज व्हाट ये आ गया आपका प्लस 3x अपॉन 2 v1 प्लस 2 टाइम्स v2। इधर से क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं, x कॉमन आ जाएगा, है ना, x आ गया कॉमन, ओके आई विल राइट हियर x, एंड डिनोमिनेटर में 2 कॉमन है, दैट मीन्स x अपॉन ये आपका 2 आ गया, हाँ। नाउ व्हाट विल गेट हियर, तो इधर 3 आएगा, इधर 1/v हो जाएगा, है ना, ये देखो 1/v प्लस ये 3 इधर बचेगा, ये 3 डिवाइडेड बाय आपका ये 2 निकल गया बाहर, दैट मीन्स v1 प्लस 2 टाइम्स v2, करेक्ट। विल सिंप्लीफाई दैट वन, देखो क्या आएगा x/2, इसका एलसीएम हो गया आपका v1 प्लस 2 टाइम्स v2, ओके। इधर क्या बचेगा v1 प्लस 2 टाइम्स v2 एंड ये हो जाएगा 3v, राइट, करेक्ट। दिस इज व्हाट टोटल टाइम रिक्वायर्ड, तो ये थोड़ा रहेगा, यू नो टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना है x/2 करके ये x, हाँ। एवरेज स्पीड क्या रहता है, देखो टोटल डिस्टेंस अपॉन टोटल टाइम, टोटल डिस्टेंस x, टोटल टाइम क्या है t1 प्लस t, x अपॉन t1 प्लस t इधर से आ गया आपका x/2 v1 प्लस 2 टाइम्स v2 प्लस 3v डिवाइडेड बाय v इन ब्रैकेट v1 प्लस 2 टाइम्स v2, करेक्ट। देखो आपका x कैंसिल हो गया, 2 न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा, ये न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा, दैट मीन्स ये क्या आएगा 2 टाइम्स v1 प्लस 2 टाइम्स v2 डिवाइडेड बाय v1 प्लस 2 टाइम्स v2 प्लस 3v, अगर आपका एवरेज स्पीड, क्लियर। वन मोर प्रॉब्लम विल सॉल्व, ओके। नाउ विल सॉल्व नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, से प्रॉब्लम नंबर 9, simple problem. We'll go through wording. What is given? A train moves with a speed of 30 km per hour in first 15 minutes. उधर देखो किलोमीटर पर आवर है, इधर टाइम मिनट्स में, you can write in hours. 15 minutes means what? 1/4 hour you can say, right? With another speed of 40 km per hour in next 15 minutes. That means that is also in 1/4 hour. Next 40 km per hour speed से जाएगा, right? And then with a speed of 60 km per hour in the last 30 minutes. Calculate the average speed of the train. When values are given, then solving problem becomes very easy. See here. Now there are 3 parts, है ना, तो I will divide like this: A, then say B, then say C and A D, right? इधर कुछ स्पीड है, इधर कुछ स्पीड है, ये एक स्पीड है। Now this one moves with what speed? 30 km per hour for 1/4 hour, 15 minutes means 1/4 hour. Another speed 40 km per hour, ये आपका 40 km per hour with what, in what time? 15 minutes means 1/4 hour. Then with what speed? 60 km per hour, ये आ गए 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर इन व्हाट टाइम 30 मिनट्स है ना 30 मिनट्स मीन्स हाफ आवर राइट ये हाफ आवर देखो सिंपल स्पीड एंड टाइम इज नोन कैन यू फाइंड आउट टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड total distance traveled total distance how much speed into time 30 into 1 by 4 plus 40 into 1 by 4 plus 60 into half okay इसका 1/4 में 7.5 ना यस इसका तो सिंपल है 10 इसका आएगा 30 ये 47.5 ये आएगा किलोमीटर में इज व्हाट 47.5 किलोमीटर अभी एवरेज स्पीड निकालना है हाउ विल फाइंड आउट एवरेज स्पीड टोटल डिस्टेंस अपॉन टोटल टाइम कितना है 1/4 हाफ 1 आवर हो गया ना एवरेज स्पीड average speed is what total distance upon total time total distance 47.5 kilometer and what time 1/4 half 1 hour that means it is what 47.5 kilometer per hour एकदम simple problem निकला है ना okay now here we'll stop in this video in next video we'll solve number of problems based on instantaneous speed instantaneous velocity right okay thank you